Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 over 2. So this one we need to put about the square root of number 3 over 2 times t. So if we put this one go in here, we have 3 over 4 times t squared. 3 over 4 we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by dx. Because we still have s in here, so we put negative 1 over 2 go to the right. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have the square root of number 3 over 2 secant of t squared. So we put this one go in here. S we change by this one. Dx we change by this one. So this one in here, that is about negative number 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 4 times t squared. So 3 over 4, 3 over 4, we can do about factorization. And this one we have secant of t squared. We simplify secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. We will have about number 2 multiplied by the square root of number 3 over 3. And we know that tan t, that's about sin t over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. The integration of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2t. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3 over 2. And we have t equal to r tan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.